Lady GT3's channel. Thank you for watching. Today we are here at Northeast Drivers Club season opener at Princeton Airport. It's going to be an awesome time. We have about 200 cars coming and we're going to be launching cars up and down the runway in between planes taking off. So stay tuned and enjoy the show.
Back it up, baby. Is it hot in this place, or is it just you? I think I know your name, give me a clue.
So this lineup of cars behind me, they're getting ready to line up for a race. We got everything running against everything. So we got Corvettes running against Audi R8s, we got Lambos running against GT2 RSs. Who do you have your money on?
Cross those full throttle wide open, but right after that you guys should be on the brakes relatively hard. Not like highway OPM coming to cruise hard, just like kind of like track braking hard, all right? Because you're going to be coming up to that turn up there and you can take that turn at about 40-50 miles per hour. But the key is the inside lane has the right of way. That's important. Inside lane car has the right of way. No matter who's winning the race.
Cause your body's kicking. I've got a black belt and a PhD in licking. If I were tequila, would you take a shot? Someone call the fireman cause you are smoking.
You smoking them?
I have no idea. It's a Ferrari, man. We'll find out. Get it on tape. In what I think is a sprinter is going to line up and come race with us.
Listen, man, I got 100K on you. 100K, you gotta smoke it.
For watching today. If you liked what you saw, make sure you subscribe. Lady GT3.